Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive review of the 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS 424. Today, we'll delve into this iconic muscle car's exterior design, interior comfort, powertrain components, safety features, and pricing. Let's get started. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2025 Nova SS 424 showcases a harmonious blend of classic muscle car aesthetics and modern design elements. Its sleek, aerodynamic body panels are sculpted to enhance performance and visual appeal, paying homage to its storied heritage while embracing contemporary styling. Headlights. Equipped with sharp LED headlights, the Nova SS 424 ensures excellent visibility in various driving conditions. These modern lights not only provide a clear and bright beam but also add a distinctive look that bridges the old and new. Taillights. At the rear, the two-circle taillights are a nod to the classic Nova, enhanced with modern LED technology. This design ensures high visibility for drivers behind you, contributing to safety during braking and nighttime driving. Grille. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, reminiscent of its storied past but updated for a modern look. This distinctive grille not only enhances the vehicle's front appearance but also allows efficient airflow to the engine compartment. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Inside the Nova SS 424, you'll find ergonomically designed seats upholstered in premium leather. These seats offer heating and ventilation options, ensuring comfort in any weather and making long journeys more enjoyable. Dashboard. The driver-centric cockpit features a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment touchscreen with Chevrolet's latest MyLink system. This setup provides an intuitive and connected driving experience, placing essential controls within easy reach. Infotainment system. The advanced infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. This system ensures you stay connected and entertained throughout your drive, offering seamless integration with your smartphone. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel offers a comfortable grip and houses controls for audio, cruise control, and hands-free calling. This design allows you to manage essential functions without taking your hands off the wheel, enhancing safety and convenience. Powertrain components. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Nova SS 424 boasts a powerful 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 500 horsepower and 470 pounds-feet of torque. This engine provides exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling driving experience, staying true to its muscle car roots. Hybrid option. Currently, there is no official information regarding a hybrid option for the 2025 Nova SS 424. The focus remains on delivering traditional V8 power to enthusiasts. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. The Nova SS 424 is equipped with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, and curtain airbags. This setup provides all-around protection for occupants in the event of a collision, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Parking assist. Maneuvering into tight parking spaces is made easier with the Nova SS 424's parking assist feature. Utilizing sensors and cameras, the system provides visual and auditory cues to help you park safely and accurately. Pricing. While Chevrolet has not yet released the exact pricing details, it is expected that the Nova SS 424 will be competitively priced within its segment. Industry experts predict that the starting price for the base model could be around $40,000, with higher trims and additional features potentially pushing the price upwards to around $55,000 or more. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Nova SS 424 masterfully combines classic appeal with modern advancements. Its powerful performance, luxurious interior, and advanced features make it a compelling choice for muscle car enthusiasts and potential buyers alike. Thank you for joining us in this review, and we look forward to seeing you on the road.